2.5 hours at about 300 degrees.
2.5 hours, 300
and
degrees.
It's beer can chicken, so I have these. Now those are my old ones. I gotta clean. I gotta clean those.
Gotcha.
But that's what it is, and then you put the can. Now I use ginger ale.
Okay.
And that's what I've always used anytime we've made this.
As the full can of soda.
I put a cup. So I empty the can out.
Okay.
And then I put 1 cup in each can.
Now is it in the aluminum can or is it in like a tin can?
Aluminum can.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, it's a soda can. So I just rinse Lori's Diet Coke because I always have those on hand.
Okay, right. Okay.
And so I just rinse one out, and then I fill it. Put 1 cup of ginger ale.
Okay.
In it. Now, a lot of people use beer because of the acid, but ginger ale gives it a little bit of a sweet flavor.
Okay.
You know, and then I just put the chicken. I rinse the chicken out, clean it, real good, and I set it on the can.
Okay.
And then I just rub the
any spices or seasoning.
I use Cavendish.
Okay.
But this red one over here, I used that Louisiana Cajun seasoning on it just to see what it does.
All right, let me go ahead and get this started.
Oh.
Okay, come on, tell me if I'm recording. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right, so we're checking our chicken here. It's coming up on 2.5 hours. We're pulling off a wing, and we got juices coming out. Do a little taste test. It looks good. So 2.5 hours at 300 on a can with 1 cup of ginger ale or your preferred juice, where the chicken sits on top of it. The neck sealed to keep the juices in. And I'll let you know how it tastes when we're done here.
We're at 190 degrees internal temperature right now.
So the inside temperature of the chicken's about 190 degrees.